I write on these subjects, but I illustrate and demonstrate the things I speak about. So if I'm going to discuss how to compose, then I need to have an original composition. If I'm going to discuss how to arrange music, then I need to illustrate from a practical standpoint. Well, here's a song. Here's a number one pop song. I'm going to arrange that, and I'm going to have to take them step by step. So I have to illustrate and demonstrate that. So what my website did is a consolidation of all the things I've written about, all the things I've speak about,
Yeah.
and it allows me to illustrate this.
It's so cool. And you play good. But first, I want to know, how did you get the way you are? I mean, because you must be incredibly inquisitive. And
Yeah.
I mean, what was your life like? What was your schooling like, and what was your life like early on?
Well, I'm sort of like a research scientist. I'm not a scientist in the strictest sense, more research. Research has to take a number of different areas into consideration. If I get
Say, hey, you want to discuss semantic ambiguity? Let's discuss homonym, homophone, homograph, heteronym, heterograph, polysemy, monosemy, capitonym, paronym, hyphonym, meronym, holonym, or hyphonym. Let's discuss the difference between verbal irony and verbal sarcasm. Let's discuss dramatic, situational, verbal, tragic, and Socratic irony.